Well, hello, kindred spirits. I had a couple videos all prepped for you, such as this one, before we left on our vacation. But with everything happening in the house and contractors coming and going, I didn't get them loaded. But while we were away, the water was still being drawn out of portions of our home and rooms were being dried. There's a lot more going on right now. But I thought I would show you the outfit that I ended up wearing to the airport and things that I did prepping for the house sitter.
Well, we are about an hour out from our house sitter showing up, and we are going to be heading into Boston for the night. We're going to have dinner there, and then we're going to meet all of our kids and their spouses and partners at the airport the next day. But I thought I would show you the outfit that I found thrifting, and I held it up. So here is the little sundress that I found. I think it was $7, was it? I think it was $7. And yesterday I did find a cashmere sweater at TJ Maxx. This was $60. Was it $60? I think so. But once again, I packed all blue, white, black, and cream in my suitcase with one magenta halter that I've had for 30 years, and I wear it everywhere, every vacation, so that has to make an appearance. But I did grab this, and I was very happy to find out that it fits with the jacket because the plane could be cold, and I just wanted to not have to pack something else. So what I like to do when I have a sweater that's longer than the jacket, which is this case, I have a little fun with my buttons. I take the bottom hole, and for this one I'll probably go up, I don't know, let's say 3, because I want to have it up at my waist. And then I take the bottom button and I'm going to go up 3 also. Now it's kind of a little mess here, but that's okay. My whole goal was to be able to put on the jacket but not have the sweater sticking out from the back. And of course I don't have a mirror here to look at, but so I have my plain attire. We had a little snow this morning already, but now the sun is out. But I'm gonna wear this to the hotel, and then, you know what? I just realized my pajamas are packed at the bottom of my suitcase. Anyways, yeah, now my brain's thinking of why did I do that, because I need pajamas for tonight. But anyways, the suitcase will be there. I ended up deciding to wear the outfit tonight. We're gonna go out to dinner, and then I'll wear the same outfit from the shuttle to the airport and so on. So this is my little outfit that I got for, I think it was $7.60. I put together a little snack basket. Now her children are actually young adults, but they're gonna have movie nights, and so I grabbed some things. She mentioned she already purchased some items for their snacking, but I just wanted to leave something. So I have some nachos here, some salsa, popcorn. I may have gone into the Oreo cookies myself already. Just some crackers and some of the cookies that we had in, I think this was the fall box, and then some granola bars and some oranges. And then I also put some food in the refrigerator for her. And I'm just gonna be leaving my messes here because I have to do now. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it because every room those things go in are wet and have stuff. So those are staying. But let me show you what I did in the guest bedroom. You can hear some of the fans going, or maybe not with my microphone. So this is kind of a temporary setup. I hung some window treatments that are too long. I shopped for these, was it 3 weeks ago we went to Walmart together, and I put up these window treatments. The rods are from Walmart. I bought these treatments. I had 8 pair, and I got the 8 pair for $200 at thrift shopping, but they're way too long, so they need to be hemmed if I end up keeping them here. But if I do, I'll probably work my room around the window treatments. I love they have a fun little beaded trim, But the reason I did this is so that for privacy, these curtains can be drawn shut.
This is a little clip of a video from when I installed them. And one thing I don't like about these rods is that since they telescope together, there's a little lip and you have trouble sliding the rings over them. So if I use these curtains, I will most likely be doing a solid wood rod.
On the bed here, I put together a little basket. It's just a towel, hand towel, face cloth, some shampoos, and a little soap that I got at one of our local stores. I'm going to see if I can have this made for us. I think the store actually makes it. Oops, not in focus there. Let's see here. Hello? Why isn't this focusing? Well, it says green clover. I might have it on the wrong setting here, but it smells so good. So I have this little basket for her, and I've got the little water jar that we picked up thrifting. I have that beside the bed. I'm going to put some water in that before she shows up and just let her know that that is fresh for her. But this is a temporary setup. I put on some bedding that I had from a king-size bed at our other house. And once again, just pulling it together. This room is what I was going to start focusing on until I found out I have to focus on the other rooms that were damaged. But yeah, here's our mess. And then the guest bathroom, which I need to fix the carpet. All right, so that's what I have going here. And then the guest bathroom is all set up. All my candle making supplies are still here. My scents, I have, and candle making, potpourri, and perfumes. I have things to make all of the different items there. And my sequins. I made this the temporary craft shelving. I don't know what I'll do with this room once I remodel it, but we'll figure that out later. If any of you remember, this bed was in Groton House. I found this bed for $99. Once again, and we still have the finials on a shelf here because this ceiling is also too low for this bed. I might do a different bed in here and sell this one, I'm not sure. I was going to do two twins. I got outvoted by family, so we're going to keep it as a queen, and I'll just set it up so it's a little bit nicer in here. I neatened up the bookshelf, so if anybody wants to read, that wasn't important to do, but I just thought I would do it. And then I know I didn't show, I did a little vignette here above our family cabinet. There's our mess. That's not bad. I know it's not bad. Many people have worse. Our family cabinet here, that was once my linen cabinet at Groton, but now it houses pictures of our grandparents, our great-grandparents. That's my dad right there, the little redhead, who's so cute. And over here, I just did a little vignette with the old hats, a horse, and I have a horn. Let me see, I have a brass horn behind me I'm going to put up there. I put away the ladder before I finished. I don't know what I was thinking. And then I just stacked some suitcases here. That's not where they're going to stay, but that's where they ended up when I was moving things around. All right, I have just a wee bit packing to do, trying to figure out what's going to fit where, and go from there. Yeah, just have to figure out where all these other little smalls are going to go, but that's easy. I'm going to take my cup, and we will have some of this, maybe with a little something something or coffee on the beach. Stay tuned to find out. I know what it's going to be. It'll save me some space in my bag now.
I ended up leaving the travel mug in the truck, but anyways, we finally made it into Boston, and we stayed the night at the Hilton right in the airport. It's very convenient. And then we decided once we were there, the restaurant was packed. We ended up grabbing an Uber and took a short drive to Davio's. I used to drive into Boston when I lived on the North Shore of Massachusetts weekly. I used to go there all the time for the Boston Design Center, but it's a whole different experience at night when the city's lit up, and I haven't been here for a while. Once you finish your meal, the dessert tray shows up and they go through each and every dessert that they have for that evening. And let me tell you, it was a hard choice to make. The next morning, we caught our flight from Boston to Charlotte, North Carolina, then from North Carolina to St. Thomas. Then we had a private boat pick us up and take us to the house that we rented for the week, and the closet with my matching clothes of blue, white, cream, and there's the hot pink shirt at the end there. But I thought I would just give this quick little overview of getting ready for the trip, and I will see you very soon with some updates. Those will include a little bit more of the vacation, the things that are happening in the house, update in gardening, decorating, you name it, because I'm going to be playing catch up this week going into next week. I'll see you soon, kindred spirits. Bye now.